Good and blessed day, everyone out there, and happy Saturday. So, you know what that means Side Hustle Saturday. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunity today. And like I said, it's Saturday, so that means Side Hustle Saturday. But before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, I have something really cool, especially for all you artist types, creative people out there who want to get into something that can be really awesome and also make some money at the same time. Put your skills to work and be creative at the same time. So, how about going to Canva and creating your own coloring book? Doing something for the kids, for the youth, and also having fun time doing it, using your drawing skills and making money. That's always a good thing. Making your own coloring book to entertain your kids and can be a good side hustle business. So, stroke your creativity with a sum of your own talents. So, whether you need a coloring activity in a pinch or you want to create a unique coloring book for your color loving kids, Canva makes it easy. Coloring is excellent way to entertain and educate your kids and stoke their creativity. Also, it'll be good. I'm gonna show you later on how you can make money with a coloring book, and it's so easy to create. In fact, let's look at a brief video on YouTube about, and I will put this video in the description once we get finished with this video. But let's take a look at their video and how they make coloring books in 10 minutes with Belle and Joe.
Belle, do your kids love coloring books?
Oh, yes, very much so. How about you?
Yeah, my kids love them too. Coloring books are pretty cheap to buy, but the themes available can sometimes get so repetitive and uninspiring.
I know, it feels like a wasted opportunity. It would be really great to create your own, where you can add elements that they recognize and cover topics that they're actually passionate about.
Exactly, and with Canva, it's easy.
Hi, I'm Belle.
I'm Joe, and we're part of Canva's design school.
Today we'll share how to create a coloring book in just 10 minutes that will keep your kids busy for hours.
And we're releasing new videos every week on this channel, so subscribe below so you don't miss anything.
What's so great about colouring activities is that they're so easy to prepare. They're not that messy, and kids learn a lot from it too.
That's right, it improves their motor skills and ability to focus, and it helps stimulate creativity and self-expression as well.
So, what makes a great colouring book, Joe?
A coloring book with a central theme.
Okay, so yeah, you can take a look at brief description of what they are doing. So they give you the templates, the step-by-step instructions for creating your own coloring book. But we also want to show how you can make money with this creative idea. So the reason behind coloring books, so why is coloring good for kids? So coloring isn't just great for kids, it's a quick activity that easily is set up with minimal mess, so pack up easy, making it great for educators and parents alike. Coloring really is great for kids. It helps improve their fine motor skills and ability to focus. It helps stimulate creativity and self-expression as well. And they can learn about colors and even color theory too. So they can, like I said, if you want to create your own color, they have all the templates, the resources, the design to create your own color, even what printing options, because you have to print it out, what you want, how you want it, bind it, fold it, all those good things for your coloring book. Also, Amazon is a great way for you to sell your coloring book online. It's probably the best way to do it online. And you can also look at some of the secrets of creating a good coloring book. Coloring books are plentiful and inexpensive. That's the good part. It's inexpensive. But often the things are repetitive, or as kids will tell you, you're boring. So, what makes a good coloring book great? In short, a book with a strong theme, whether it's garden images, animals, birds, or cars, It will always be better than a coloring book full of random ideas. Random images are still fun, especially if you hand select from one child. But if there is a visual narrative or a journey that can follow, it's way more engaging and rewarding for them. Okay. And there's some pretty cool images. You can use templates, animals, different probably plants, animals, different scenes. And that's why Canva is so cool. Use templates to make coloring book in Canva. There are more than 300 coloring page templates in Canva, so you can start inspired. You can start inspired. Plus, if your kids get boring with a certain thing, it's easy to create something new. Remember, templates are a starting point. So even if you can't find one that matches the theme, you're chosen. You've chosen select a template that resonates with you and you can get customized it. When choosing a template, think about how you're going to print it. So that's good. So printing landscape, portrait, or square and resize your design accordingly. You can also do this at the end, but you'll have saved time by doing it now. It saves you having to tweak your design and fill the gaps. Okay, so that's very important. So you have to choose how you want your design to be, what templates you want, and whether you wanted to print it landscape or portrait. That's very important. Now, they go to how you print your coloring book in Canva. You want a normal format, PDF, a photo book, landscape, all different types of templates to do that. And they also have, like I said, they have tutorials to show you how to do your coloring book in Canva. It really looks like a really fun exciting thing to do to put your design elements and design your artistry to the test. Creating a coloring book in Canva. I'm going to leave a link to all this, including the YouTube video, because they go step by step in creating your own coloring book. And it's something really cool because sometimes you people are you wonder what side hustle I can do as a creative. I may not be too business savvy, but I can create things. I can make things. That's really good. Also, I would even try Etsy or even some of the other Facebook. I would try Facebook stores to sell, even with Amazon to sell coloring books online. So you also can go to how to make a coloring book to sell. You have design templates, different contents that you can put into how you make a cover page, binding books. Do coloring books sell well? And yes, they do. They are making profit. It's very profitable. I've seen some coloring books make at least maybe 1,000 to like 5,000 a month. The two biggest online markets for coloring books right here are Amazon and Etsy. So you have to look in other platforms like there is competition out there, of course, but can go into places like Instagram and other social medias to put out content as far as with coloring books. You have to charge shipping, handling, and then you can make it ship throughout the United States or any other location. But I'll put all these resources in the description about this. But I think this is a really awesome. It's called Quinn Printing. They give you the steps to building a coloring book business. Maybe it not just for children, just not for kids, but also adults. Maybe elderly. That's good for them to advance their skills, their coloring and their coordination skills is through coloring books and also their mind too. So creating a coloring book as a side hustle, I would go to the creative and design templates on Canva, maybe create your account and go through it and see what you can design. Put your creative thoughts to the test. Again, you can make I've seen the results isn't through, and like I said, at least 1,000 to maybe even 5,000 a month. That's a good side hustle, side business. I would definitely explore this. Putting your creative hand to the test. and putting some of your designs out there, which is always a good thing. It can definitely become a very lucrative side hustle for you. Again, creating a coloring book for the masses, including your kids and for adults. This side hustle Saturday is definitely all about creativity, designing, and art. All right, guys, thanks so much. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this review of this side hustle opportunity. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and please check about these opportunities and see if they are a good fit for you and for your extra money goals. Thanks again. Have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you next week. All right, guys, take care.